everybody, it's Friday night and I'm getting ready to start my dinner. So for today we're gonna make chicken soup. Now let me tell you something, there are two different ways to make chicken soup. At least this is how I make it. So the first chicken soup that I make is what I call the sweet chicken soup. Well, it's not actually sweet, but I don't add any tomatoes. Excuse me, my eyes are so watery. I'm still sick, I still have a cold. So in that sweet soup, I normally don't add any tomatoes. Now, the second chicken soup that I make is the sour chicken soup. Well, it's not too sour, but I usually add some crushed tomatoes or some fresh tomatoes, depending on what I have on hand. And I normally add all kinds of vegetables like carrots, potatoes, actually everything you have on hand will work. So let me show you how I make this sour soup today. So these are the ingredients for the sour chicken soup, and I'm gonna use, as I have mentioned before, a can of crushed tomatoes. I've got some frozen vegetables here, and that's some zucchini and some eggplants that I have defrosted. Some frozen carrot, leftover frozen carrot that I'm gonna use, about half a carrot, or you can add one carrot if you want to. About half red pepper, some onion, about half an onion. I'm not making too much soup today. I've got some potatoes, that's about 2 medium potatoes, some spinach, some frozen spinach that I'm gonna add at the end of the soup, and some lentils. Now I usually boil the lentils and make a big bag and freeze it. So this green lentils is already boiled and frozen. I have defrosted it right now. So I'm gonna use that in my soup as well. Some fresh parsley. It smells great. Some olive oil, some salt, and right here is my chicken. I've got 2 chicken breasts that I have previously boiled, but I'm not gonna use them both. I'm gonna save some for some other meals. So I think I'm gonna use 1 chicken breast for this that I'm gonna shred. So I have added some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in my pan. Now I'm gonna add the onions. And stir them. Oops. I'll let them cook for a minute or so. And then I will add the carrot and bell pepper. Now I'm gonna add the carrot and the bell pepper. My pot is spinning because I'm using just one hand now. Next I'll add the zucchini and the eggplant. Sorry about the spill. The potatoes will go in. And the lentils. It smells so good already. And now I will add my crushed tomatoes. But let me just open the can first. The crushed tomatoes. And I will add at least 2 cans. I usually use the same can, the tomato can, of water. I'll add them. So I have added actually 3 cans of water, and now I'm gonna shred the chicken and add it to the soup. Now I'm gonna add my shredded chicken. And some salt. I will cover the soup and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. The chicken is done, the lentils are done, so we need to simmer the rest of the veggies, which will boil pretty fast. Alright, I have shredded the rest of the chicken and I'm gonna freeze it and use it for other different meals. Now, the soup is almost ready. So I have chopped the spinach, I'm gonna show it to you, and add the spinach to the soup. That's the spinach that will go in the soup. That's how the soup looks like. And this is the spinach. So from this point, I'm gonna let the soup simmer just for 10 minutes. So this is the leftover chicken, and now I've got my parsley that I'm going to chop. Chop, chop, chop. We love parsley. There's nothing in this world like the smell of the freshly chopped parsley. It's very, very healthy. It contains lots of vitamin C. And you know, I'm gonna save the roots for my vegetable broth. Now I'm gonna add the parsley to our soup. And you can call it you can add fresh coriander or even dried parsley or dried coriander if you don't have it fresh. But please add it because it really makes a difference. I'll turn off the heat and cover it for a few more minutes until you serve it, so all the aromas will blend together. Alright friends, the moment of truth. This is the gorgeous soup. Let's pour some. How good that looks. Ah, it's so hot. And some for my daughter. There we go. Dinner is done.